Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by conditioning clay until pliable. This matters because elasticity prevents cracks later. Once conditioned, press a 0. 5 to 2 centimeter base layer onto your primed panel, making sure the armature wire is embedded and anchored. Use fingertips to blend seams, then mark high and low areas with a light sketch. You want structure now. Build forms broadly, not details. Make sure to keep clay slightly thicker where you'll carve. Thin spots dry or bake unevenly, so avoid them. Once the base is set, begin building mid-layers to define volumes and planes. You sculpt by adding small rolls and pressing them into place, then blending with a soft silicone tool. You alternate between carving and adding clay. This is why you work in stages, so details hold without collapsing. Make sure to texture strategically. Use a needle for hairlines, a ball stylus for dimples. If you pause, cover the piece to retain moisture, and for polymer clay, bake in short 10 to 15-minute passes. You finish by sanding gently, moving from 220 to 600 grit so edges read clean. Wipe with alcohol and let dry before painting. Then apply acrylics in layers. Start with thinned washes, build midtones, and add highlights last. This preserves the relief. Seal with a matte or satin varnish to protect paint. If a crack appears, don't panic. Rehydrate with tiny droplets, press in thin slip or compatible clay, retexture to match. Then touch up paint and reseal. That repair approach saves time and preserves detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.